from Bangalore for past 2-3 days. We wanted a break, so we came here. She is my daughter and she wanted a break too from her studies. We thought of going around Coorg. Then he chose this place. Initially we thought this is in between the entire forest and it would not be suitable for us to stay. Somehow since we selected, we came here. When we reached here also we were not so happy. Further, as we entered, this ambience was very nice. It is completely an original forest system and very nice to stay here. And we have different varieties of staying facility. We chose a tower which is extremely good. One cannot see the website and be happy with this tower. If you sit here, if you come here and stay only, you can come to know about this ambience. And staffs are amazing. They are very friendly. There is no other say about the staff. Food, every food was given the Kerala style, the homemade food like that it was. So we enjoyed, and it is the first time for me and for all of us the Kerala food. I suggest this place, if at all, if you want to go away from your city, your apartment, your work pressure, then please come down here and you will have a good time with your family.